son, Magid, Manandin, all that your mother has said is true. Be on your way, let your journey begin.
My good parents, I will do as you say. Good character should never go astray. I wish to travel to Sinkarak to attend the king's Galangang.
How is it you'd like to leave it now? Why do you wish to leave your bride?
I swear I recognize his face. I come to challenge you to a cockfight, to pit my rooster against yours. Yeah, that's it, come on! Yeah, come on!